Fostering a sense of belonging. The implications of nature and nurture within STEM learning environments. When the varied perspectives and experiences are understood, we discover ways to identify with the dis-ease of working with students of difference and with differing abilities who may find themselves alone in classrooms. The question is, why does a sense of belonging matter in the world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics? It might seem like an odd question. After all, aren't these fields about facts, figures, and objective truths? We're going to delve into why a sense of belonging is not only an essential human need, but a crucial asset for success in STEM. In the vast expanse of the STEM universe, there exists a remarkable story that beautifully encapsulates the power of fostering a sense of belonging. It's the story of inclusion, opportunities, classroom culture, and classroom climate. Every student is valued and included. Their unique contributions are recognized and appreciated. An example of nature and nurture is the tree. The tree symbolizes the relevant ways of knowing and supporting students for success in STEM fields. The roots represent family, heritage, and culture. The ground represents life choices, the student's voice, and their skills. The trunk represents student values, and the branches represent personal hopes, dreams, and aspirations. At the heart of that STEM is a networking community that creates nurturing environments, promotes effort growth problem solving, and develops self-confidence by supporting and affirming access to low-income students within STEM fields.